All right, so since the apocalypse started, it really lit a fire under everybody's butt, and mine included, to get to work planting fruit trees and vegetable gardens so that we can have some food security, because that's going to be the one thing that really, really matters. You know, of course, fresh air and pure water too, but I built this 16 by 8 foot planter box here. It's 2 feet deep. And I think the investment will be, after I get this filled up with organic potting soil and compost, will probably be about a $500 investment. Mathematically, I figure over the next 10 years that this box will last. I should be able to grow around $10,000 worth of herbs and vegetables. So there you go. Get inspired. I'll let you know how I get on. Peace.